Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. Most of the Tuesdays I am bringing you another of my nail art tutorial videos, and today I joined into the Facebook group. I am the one who is actually hosting this week's theme, and that was related to books, literature, comics, anything that in some way reminds us of reading. In the old times, March used to be the month of books or International Month of Books. I'm not really sure if that's still true, but I wanted to kind of revive the memory and host this Facebook group collab with the theme of books and literature. Thank you so much everybody who joined me. I do hope that you enjoyed creating your manicures as I did mine. And of course, if you are new here coming from the other channels, then welcome. I do hope that you like what you see here, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button and also like my video if you do enjoy nail art tutorial videos. Alright, I will have everything linked for you in the description box, and at the end of my video you will find all the pictures that were created for this collab. So a big thank you to all of you ladies who joined me. I really do like your final manicures. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.